Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is a harvest video. You guys, I harvested this cucumber that was grown with the corn in the milk crate. Now you guys, I know the shape of the cucumber looks a little funny and I'm thinking that's due to watering. Nevertheless, the cucumber is still going to get ate. So here I go, cutting the cucumber in half. This is what it looks like in the inside. I cut off a piece and you guys, I want you to hear this crunch. I hope you're growing cucumbers this year because it's so good. You guys, that cucumber was so crunchy and refreshing. But anyway, this is all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my updates.